everyone, once again I am here to give you some more information about the chapter 3 and some more knowledge about this chapter number 3. Okay, in our previous lectures we already done 2 lectures of this chapter. You already watched two lectures of this chapter. Chapter 3 are dresses. Chapter 3 are dresses. So here once again we will learn something new, something different in this chapter. Yes, chapter number 3 are dresses. So once again I want to take a little recap. So I will revise all these things once again to you. In our both the lectures we learnt about the dresses, why do we need clothes, why we are wearing clothes. Clothes protect us from all the weather, seasons, insect bite and all these things. And remember, clothes looks us smart and decent. Okay, as people eat different type of food in different states, as like same we all are having the different clothes habits. We are not having the same clothes habits. Yes, clothes habits is completely depends on the climate where we are living. Okay, yes, now see dear students, we already done 2 lectures of this chapter. So I want to know how much you understood. मेरे को ये जानना है कि आपको कितना समझ में आया और क्या समझ में आया. ओके, सो आई विल थ्रो सम क्वेश्चंस ऑन यू एंड यू विल गिव मी द आंसर्स. ओके, माय क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज व्हाई डू वी नीड क्लोथ्स. I am waiting for your answers, but unfortunately you all are not in the classroom, so I Aarti Tiwari will give all these answers on behalf of you all dear lovely students. Yes, my first question is that why do we need a cloth? Yes, we need a cloth to protect our body, to cover our body. Yes, why this word cover we are using? Why book is used that word cover? ये cover शब्द है, इस शब्द को बुक में क्यों यूज किया है ना? क्यों यूज किया है? cover means what? cover means ढाकना. See, this is my uncovered EVS notebook. This is my uncovered EVS notebook. But I hope this is my uncovered EVS book. But I hope your book has cover on the book. Yes, so we all wear clothes to cover our body. हम सब अपने बॉडी को ढाकने के लिए, कवर करने के लिए कपड़े पहनते हैं. And yes, definitely clothes protects our body from all the seasons. Yes, then dressing habits of completely depends on the climate of an area. On good. Now my question number 2 is that which is the famous outfit for women in India? What is the famous outfit name in India for women? Yes, what is that? Yes, sari. Sari is the famous outfit in India for women. Sari is the famous outfit in India for women. Yes, and my third question is that we women are wearing the same kinds of sari in entire India. We women, once again I will repeat the question, we women are wearing the same kinds of sari in India. What is the answer? No, we all now not wearing the same kind of sari in India because we all are living in different place. We all are coming from different places. We all are living in different states of our country. So we have the different habit of clothes. Okay, so we have the same habit of clothes in India. No, we don't have the same clothes habit in India, because we people are coming from different states, we people are coming from different places, we people are belongs from different places, so we don't have the same habit of clothes. That's why we don't have the same kind of cloth habit. Okay, yes, that's why we are not wearing the same kinds of the sari. Okay, yes, now here I am going, please tell me the names of women's outfit. Yes, the names of the woman outfit in all over the India are salwar kameez with dupatta in Punjab, ghagra kurta with orni in Haryana, ghagra choli is in Uttar Pradesh, and ghagra blouse with orni in Rajasthan, and langa choli with orni in Gujarat, and mandu blouse is in Kerala, and many. Apart from all these attires, apart from all these outfits, from all these attires, in today's environment, girls and women are wearing the, yes, wearing the leggings, kurtas, jeans, top, skirts and frock or long gown, evening gown, and many more attires. See, we girls, we women has the many types of attire rather than the boys. Okay, we have different style outfits. Okay, understand? Yes. So apart from all these traditional outfits, we women are wearing the jeans, trousers and skirt, frock, evening gown, leggings and kurtas, है ना, and dresses of men. Yes, men are also wearing the traditional outfit. What are the names of their traditional outfit? The names of the traditional outfits for men are dhoti kurta pajama, kurta lungi, है ना, and lungi shirt and chudidar pajama with fancy kurta and achkan. Okay, this is the traditional outfit for a man. Apart of these tradition, apart of these culture outfits, they also wearing the jeans and t-shirt, shirt and trousers. Okay, and shirt and jeans also, and t-shirt and shorts or capris. Okay, so these are the names of the men's dresses. Okay, now we already done this part of the book. Now we are going to done this wala paragraph. Okay, first you have to first see all these pictures. First see all these pictures. What all are these? What all are these? These are the turbans, and we can say headwear. In English we can say these all are the headwears. Headwear means what? Headwear means ऐसा कोई भी कपड़ा, ऐसा कोई भी टोपी या पगड़ी जो मैन लोग यूज़ करते हैं अपने सिर के ऊपर. It is called headwear. It is called headwear. And in Hindi we are calling टोपी और पगड़ी, है ना. In Hindi we are calling टोपी और पगड़ी. But in English the word for this attire is called headwear. Whatever the men are wearing on their head is called headwear. What is called? Is called headwear. सिर पर पहनने वाला कपड़ा और टोपी, okay, और पगड़ी is called headwear in English. Okay, so I am going to read this paragraph, then I will explain you this paragraph. Okay, yes. both man and woman in Kashmir wear long loose coat called fehran. Yes, dear students, underline this important line. This line you have to do underline when you will watch this video on Tuesday. Then keep this book with you and underline this line. Man and woman in Kashmir wear long loose coats. जो कश्मीर में जो मैन और वुमन रहते हैं लाइक दिस, दे आर वेयरिंग दी लॉन्ग लूज कोट. वो बहुत लॉन्ग और लूज कोट पहनते हैं. उनको क्या बोलते हैं? उनको फहरान्स बोलते हैं. उनको फहरान्स बोलते हैं. ये स्पेलिंग आपको लर्न करनी पड़ेगी. PHIRANS. ओके. एंड प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम कोल्ड. सो व्हाई द पीपल दोज हु आर लिविंग इन कश्मीर, दे आर वेयरिंग दी loose coat fehrans. Why they are wearing? Because Kashmir is a very cold place. Kashmir is a very cold place. बहुत ठंड पड़ती है वहाँ पर. So most of the time वहाँ पर snowfall होता है. Most of the time in Kashmir snowfall होता है. Then people, those who are living in Kashmir, they are wearing the loose coat. वो हमेशा ढीला ढाला लूज कोट पहनते हैं. और उस लूज कोट का नाम क्या होता है? फहरान. उस लूज कोट का नाम क्या होता है? फहरान्स. ओके. सो रिमेंबर दिस फहरान इज इन योर माइंड पीपल. दोज हु आर लिविंग इन कश्मीर, दे आर मैन एंड वुमन बोथ आर वेयरिंग दी फहरान्स. ओके. टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम कोल्ड. वो अपने आप को ठंड से बचाने के लिए ये पहनते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज कश्मीर इज वेरी मच कोल्ड प्लेस. सी अगेन आई विल टोल्ड यू, आर क्लोथिंग हैबिट्स इज कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन आर क्लाइमेट्स. हमारी जो कपड़े पहनने की आदत होती है वो पूरी की पूरी हम जिस प्लेस पर रहते हैं उस प्लेस पर डिपेंड करती है. सपोज पीपल दोज हु आर लिविंग इन साउथ इंडिया, पीपल दोज हु आर लिविंग इन केरल, those who are living in Tamil Nadu, those who are living in Andhra Pradesh, these all are the coastal areas. ये समुद्र के किनारे होते हैं. And in these all areas are very humidity is there. Very humidity places these all are. बहुत गर्मी, humidity बहुत होती है. That's why the people, those who are living in the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, है ना, they are wearing white dresses and they are wearing the cotton clothes. All the time they are wearing is the cotton clothes because there is no winter. वहाँ पर कभी ठंड नहीं होती है. Because these all are the coastal areas. ये समुद्र के किनारे हैं. ये सारे के सारे केरल है, तमिलनाडु है, आंध्र प्रदेश है. These all are the coastal areas. ये सारे समुद्र के किनारे. और समुद्र के किनारे जहाँ होते हैं वहाँ ठंड नहीं होती है. वहाँ पर हमेशा एक वेदर होता है गर्मी का और ह्यूमिडिटी का. या तो वहाँ गर्मी होगी या बहुत उमस होगी, है ना. तो अगेन आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू दैट दी आर क्लोथिंग हैबिट इज कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन दी क्लाइमेट्स. सी पीपल दोज हु आर लिविंग इन कश्मीर, कश्मीर इज अ वेरी कूल, वेरी कोल्ड प्लेस. बहुत ठंड होती है. दैट्स व्हाई पीपल्स आर वेयरिंग ऑलवेज फहरान over there. Okay, and they are using the warm clothes. Fehran is not made by the cotton clothes. Fehran is made by the warm. Fehran is made by the woolen clothes. ऊन से बना होता है ना. So they want to protect their self from the what? From the cool, from the winter. That's why they are using the Fehran. But people, those who are living in coastal areas or hot areas, they always wearing the cotton clothes. They always prefers to wear cotton and the cotton only. And their primary color is the white. Yes, white color is very much famous. Is in Kerala, is in South India, is in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and all the South Indian areas. Because if they will wear the white clothes will नॉट एब्जॉर्ब द हीट. वाइट क्लोथ्स जो होते हैं वो कॉटन के बने होते हैं एंड इट्स नॉट एब्जॉर्ब द हीट. वो गर्मी को अंदर नहीं आते, गर्मी को बाहर रखते हैं, है ना. और वाइट क्लोथ्स गिव्स अस, वाइट कलर गिव्स अस कूलनेस. कॉटन एंड वाइट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कॉटन क्लोथ एंड वाइट कलर गिव्स अस कूलनेस. ठंडक देता है, आराम देता है. ओके. Yes, so here we will talk about the headwear. Here we will talk about the headwear of the men's. Okay, so here we will talk about the headwear of men. Okay, yes. See, suppose have you seen your grandfather? आपने अपने दादा को देखा है? When they will go in any marriage, that time, especially people those who are living in villages, village areas, usually they are wearing the kurta, dhoti and the topi. They most probably they will wear the topi. So topi is the headwear of man. Topi is the headwear of the man. In the same way, you have seen any Punjabi men. Punjabis always wear the pagdi on their head. Yes, Punjabis man always wears the pagdi on their head. And this is what? This is the headwear. This is the headwear of the Punjabi peoples. Okay. Yes. So men in different states cover their head in different ways. Yes. Men, those who are living in different states, they are using different headwear also. है ना? As like that, if they are belongs from different states, they are wearing the different clothes. As like this picture, है ना? जैसे इस पिक्चर में सबने अलग अलग स्टेट्स के लोगों ने अलग अलग टाइप के क्लोथ्स पहने हैं, अलग अलग पैटर्न को फॉलो किया है. एज लाइक सेम मेंस दोज हु आर लिविंग इन डिफरेंट स्टेट्स, दे आर wearing the different kinds of headwear. They are wearing the different kinds of headwear, and especially there are 3 or 4 types of headwear. First one is that pagdi. Okay, people those who are living in Punjab, they are wearing the what? They are wearing the pagdi on their head. Okay, and in Rajasthan also, and Rajasthan people always wear the pagdi on their heads. And Himachal Pradesh people, those who are living in Himachal Pradesh, they are wearing this woolen cap. This is woolen cap. Okay, वो इस तरह की टोपी पहनते हैं. Why we are wearing this type of headwear? Because this is their traditional traditional headwear. Okay, men is in different states cover their head in different ways. Yes, it is very much correct written over here in your book. Men, those who are living in different states. See, Punjabi men always wear the Punjabi pagdi. Okay, and people those who are living in Rajasthan men always wear the pagdi. Okay, this type of colorful pagdi, and they will follow this type of pattern: red, yellow and green. This batik print pattern they are following on their heads. Okay, and the Himachal Pradesh men are wearing this type of woolen cap. Okay, and now I am going to read next line. They use cap or turbans for covering their heads. Okay, all the men are using these types of pagdis and the caps for covering their head. वो अपने आप हेड को कवर करने के लिए सारी चीज़ें पहनते हैं. And turban is used as man headwear in many states. You have to underline this line. You have to underline these 2 lines. Line number 3. Man is different states cover their head in different ways. This line you have to underline, है ना? And then the word turban for covering their heads, turban and headwear. These 2 words underline these 2 words, turban and headwear. Okay, states like Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, these 3 states men always worn the headwear on their heads. वो हमेशा they are wearing the headwear. They are not going out, they are not taking the step out from the home without their headwears, but the style of tying his turban is various from the state to state, but the style of tying, लेकिन उसको बांधने का जो स्टाइल है, it is very much different in all over the states. It is very much different in all these states. Okay, see, all the Punjabis are wearing this type of headwear on their heads. Okay, and all the Rajasthani people, all the men of Rajasthan, they are tying their pagdis like this only. Okay, and Himachal Pradesh, there is no need to tie. Okay, because they are wearing the topi, they are wearing this topi. Okay, yes, the men of Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, or they are using what? People, those who are living in Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat, they are wearing the Gandhi cap. See, what is the Gandhi cap? What is the pattern of Gandhi cap? I am not very much perfect in drawing, but this is the pattern of the Gandhi cap. See, ask with your mama. Mama will show you the Gandhi cap picture. Mama will show you the Gandhi cap picture. Okay. Yes. When you was in nursery, LKG and UKG, that time you participated in fancy dress competition, na? Most of the boys played the part of the Jawaharlal Nehru and Gandhi. So Jawaharlal Nehru always worn the cap of the Gandhi cap on his head. Okay, so men, those who are living in Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat, underline these two words, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. These two words, they are using Gandhi cap. See, the man of Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat, underline these two words, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, use Gandhi cap to cover their heads. So what they are using? People, those who are living in Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat, they are using the Gandhi cap to cover their heads. The cap of Himachal Pradesh is famous for beautiful embroidery. Okay. Yes, the cap of Himachal Pradesh. See, Himachal Pradesh is a very cool place. Himachal Pradesh is a very cool place. Okay. And people or men, those who are living in Himachal Pradesh, they are wearing this type of cape. They are wearing this last wala type of cape. And this is very much famous for embroidery. See, underline this word, embroidery. Okay, spelling of embroidery is EMBORIDERY, embroidery. Okay, so underline this word. And there are many tribes living on different parts of the country. They have their own traditional dresses and customs. Man and woman in Nagaland. See, today we will talk about the headwear only. Now in our next lecture, I will make you learn about the traditional dresses of some states. Like Nagaland and the Manipur and many more. Okay, we will discuss more about the dresses of Nagaland, Manipur and all the tribes areas. Okay, so today we will discuss only these one thing only, hat wear. Okay, hat wear means people, those men, those who are living in different states, they are following the different kinds of hat wears, and we call that hat wear is turban. Okay, and turban is depends on their culture, turban is depends on their tradition, and they will follow their culture and tradition while wearing their head wears. Okay, see, a Punjabi man always wear a pagdi, and the tying of the pagdi is totally different from the Rajasthani pagdi. Okay, and the style of tying, pagdi बांधने का जो तरीका, style of tying is completely different from a Rajasthani man. Okay, See, every state has their own tradition, so they are following their tradition. That's why they are wearing the headwears. Punjabi peoples are wearing pagdi. As like that, Rajasthani men's also wearing pagdi, but style of tying is different. Both the styles of tying, दोनों को बांधने का तरीका it's totally different. And people, those who are living in Himachal Pradesh, they are wearing the woolen type of cap in their heads. They are covering their heads with that type of woolen clothes with good embroidery. Okay, and they all are following their tradition, their custom. Okay, so it's all about today. I am giving you a little work. Once again, I am giving you a little work. See, dear students, you all are taking lots of interest in drawing. You all are taking lots of interest in drawing. That's why I will try to give you more drawing work in EVS, because when you will go in class 6 and 7 and 8, that time आपको बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करने पड़ेंगे. साइंस में बहुत सारी ड्राइंग बनानी पड़ती है. That's why I am giving you chance to be a good in drawing, to be a good in drawing. So I am giving you the work. You have to draw the pictures of headwear. Okay. Draw the pictures of different headwear in your notebook. Okay, and fill the color accordingly, and fill the colors accordingly. Okay, see dear students, this video you will watch on Tuesday, and this little work I am giving you. Draw the pictures of different headwears in your notebook and fill the colors accordingly, and make your notebook always presentable. Make your notebook always presentable. आपकी जो notebook है वो presentable होनी चाहिए. If anybody will see your notebook, then definitely he or she has to appreciate your work. Wow, what a nice notebook she has. What a nice notebook he has. है ना? That's why I want to make you be a good drawer. है ना? When you will go in class 6 and 7, this EVS became science, and that time you have to make lots of pictures. That's why I will try to make you be good in drawing. That's why I am giving you lots of drawing work in EVS. So this is your homework. Draw the pictures of different headwears in your notebook and fill the color accordingly. This is your Tuesday's homework. So it is enough for this lecture. We will meet in our next lecture. Till that time, bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Do study well. Don't go out. If you want to go out, if any emergency is there, then please wear the mask. Wash your hands regularly and use sanitizer when you will go out. So it's over from my side. Bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless. Keep study. Bye. इतना बोलना पड़ता है इंद्रा है. क्लास 3 में इतना पढ़ाना पड़ता है. This is for man.